Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can install Dynamic Island on OPPO A60. If you want to have the Dynamic Island that is similar to the one in iPhones, then what you need to do is open Google Play Store, and then you want to search for Dynamic Island, and then you can use, for instance, this app over here. You can download and install it on your device. Once you install it, you want to open it. And at first we will need to grant some permissions to this app in order to make sure that we can fully use it. So we're gonna press next. Now over here we need to check all these things. So let's go over here. Now we need to select the dynamic spot. There we go. Now let's go back. Go to notification access. Over here, select dynamic spot and allow notification access, press allow, and then we need to allow the app to draw on screen. You might need to do this twice, then press next. And over here we need to go to downloaded apps, go to dynamic spot, and then enable dynamic spot, press allow, and there we go. We can now press done. Over here we can go to notifications. Over here we can press consent one more time. Over here we can select apps that will work with the dynamic spot. So you might want to use some basic apps. Actually, you can use any apps that you want. However, such apps like phone or contacts or something more, or WhatsApp, all of them can be selected, as I think they are really basic, and they should be definitely added, all messages. Once you select everything that you want to have on the Dynamic Island, you can go back, and that's pretty much it. Now the Dynamic Island should be working. And this is how it looks like. Over here at the top we have our Dynamic Island. We can tap on it in order to see more information about whatever is happening about the notification. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.